Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be doing a tutorial of how to add custom domain on your Payhip. So we will be learning how to get your custom domain on Payhip. So first of all, where can you get your custom domain? So there are many domain names registered that you could purchase from out here on the market, but it's ultimately your decision which provider works best for your business. So to help you get started, here are some popular domain name registrars that Payhip seller use. So here are some. The I think GoDaddy is the most popular for this one right here, and you must choose right there. So how do you connect your existing domain to your Payhip? So on the domains page, click the connect existing domain button to connect your domain to your Payhip store. It should look like this. So you must click the connect existing domain. Next up is that there will be a pop-up that appear and ask you to log in with your DNS provider first, as you are required to set up with a record or a CNAME record. The step-by-step instruction for setting up with your DNS will be displayed right here. So this one right here will be like the visual representation. So if you didn't get um like this. So you can use this page right here, which is the help.payhip.com/article/206 custom domain. So that is all on how to get your custom domain on your Payhip.